Hi everyone, welcome into Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about debug in Postman. So let's begin. This is login API and this is body section, email and password. I have already created environment for this email and password variable in previous tutorial. I have already explained detail about environment. Now, when hover on this email, we can view actual email and password in encrypted form. Click on send and this API request is sending to the server and we are getting token from the response. This is 200 OK response code. In Postman, multiple ways for checking the logs of this API. Click on this menu, view, and then click on show Postman console. Alter plus control plus C. This is shortkeys for opening Postman console. And here also option available. Click on console and click on this. This is URL complete post is a method and header. In header, Postman token, content length. In the request body, this response we are getting from the server. As you can view, this is request body. In request body, we are sending email and password. Now scroll down and this is response body. We are getting token from the server. We are sending request, login request, in which we are sending email and password. This is URL and method is a post. Now here all logs filter by default selected. You can filter out this log. Suppose you want to view only log, so you can unmark these checkboxes. Now only logs are displayed here. Yes, any error come, so you can filter out from this checkbox. Now change something here. Let's enter something here and click on send. As you can view here, we are getting bad request because we enter invalid variable name. We can console log here. Let's enter here console dot log information. Now this text will be displayed in a console. Click on send. Click on log. Suppose you want to only view information, so you can check this checkbox. Click on info. In the log section, you can view log information because we log here console.log log information. You can set environments from this section. In this API, staging environment is selected. Here in the left side, multiple environments are available. So in the staging environment, you can view base URL, email and password. We can change here. We just need to define here variable name, which is base URL. As you can view here in staging environment, variable name is base URL and this is value. Enter base URL here, base URL. On hover, you can view complete URL and environment. Click on environment. Now this environment is open. Click on send. Click on console. And this information is displayed in a console. 200 OK response code and this is the time of the execution. And other option available for view logs, click on view and then click on developer and then click on show DevTools. You can view logs here. Also shortcut keys available here. Click on developer and Control Shift I. This is the short key for opening dev tool option. That's all for today's tutorial on debug your request easily in Postman. Use the Postman console response status and headers to figure out what's going wrong and fix it fast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more practical API testing tips. See you in the next video.